Kevin with Stumptown Workshops and thecreativeorange.com, and I'm here to talk to you about our 4-week online workshop on daylight portraits. This daylight portraiture class, we're going to go through. Class 1 is going to be all about outside daylight, obviously. We're going to talk about backlighting. We're going to talk about finding actual outside reflectors, because I don't like to carry a lot of reflectors with me. So anyway, I can't even say reflector, see? So it's all about finding the light that's out there and creating amazing portraits with what's available, okay? Second class is going to be window light. So we're going to show you how to do window light. What window light is best? North, south, east, west. You know, we're going to talk about that. We're going to show you how to do some cool things with window light that you might not have thought of, actually. Then the third class, believe it or not, I'm going to show you how to use reflectors, because I do know how to use them. And there's specific things that you can do with reflectors that you can't do with anything else. So I'm going to show you how to use them. Like I said, I do know how to use them, but I just think there's other ways to do it. But I'm going to show you how to use them correctly. And then the last class is going to be all about fill flash, using your flash outside to actually enhance your daylight portraits. So it's daylight, but it's with a little bit of fill flash. So, so it's really cool. The way it works, there's going to be 4 weeks. You're going to have a video instruction with that, so you can watch it at your own pace during the week, okay? Then there's an assignment with that, that you'll have a full week to do, and then I'll critique those shots at the end of that week, and then you've also got your Q&A forum, okay? So you can go in there and ask your specific questions and get them answered, and it's a great way to meet all the people in the class too. So it's really fun. It's, like I said, you get to do this in your own home, so it's like having me come and do a seminar at your house, so, which is kind of cool. So there you go, Daylight Portrait, 4-week online workshop. Check it out. Take care. Bye-bye.